Let's make some spaghetti today. We got water boiling. We got our hamburger cooking. Since our water's boiling, let's put some salt in there. Some pepper in there. Let's put 3 tablespoons of butter in there. We're going to add an onion to our hamburger. We got green peppers frying. Half an onion. I'll stir hamburger up. Okay, let's start making our spaghetti sauce. We got 1 whole can of nothing but canned tomatoes I canned last year. Now you use your spaghetti sauce if you want to, but I'm making my homemade. And I've got 1 can of Italian style spaghetti sauce. And I'm going to add it to that. Okay, I'm going to let that cook for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to add more seasoning to it. Okay, in the spaghetti sauce, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning's got thyme, oregano, basil, rosemary, and sage. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of celery seed in our spaghetti sauce. And 2 teaspoons of onion powder. 1 teaspoon of tomato and basil seasoning. Okay, and then we're going to put tomato bouillon in our sauce. We're going to put 2 teaspoons. Okay, that's it. That's for our seasonings in our tomato base tomato sauce. Spaghetti sauce. Okay, in our hamburger, green peppers, and onions, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon powder and 1 15-ounce can of water. We're going to add 1, 2 teaspoons of tomato powder in the hamburger mixture. And we're going to let it set and cook for 30 minutes. Just like this before we cook our spaghetti. Our spaghetti take 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, to our spaghetti sauce, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. To our hamburger mixture, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Fugate complete seasoning. And 1 teaspoon to our spaghetti sauce. And that's it. It's time to make the spaghetti. We're going to break ours in half. Then half again. Cook it 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, we're still cooking everything else. And this spaghetti sauce is thick. See it? It's real thick. We'll be back. Okay, let's take the hamburger mixture. Pour it in this. Okay, now let's take the spaghetti mixture, pour it in here. Now you can add beans to this, black beans to this if you want to, and cheese, onions, whatever. When you get it on your plate, put your spaghetti and then put all this on it. And put some beans, cheese, onions. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Please like and share. And if you ain't already subscribed, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching. This is Italian Spaghetti.